So yesterday was a sad day, wasn't it? Because your GTR went.
Yeah.
And today's a good day because you get to play with your S15.
It's getting stripped down. You're stripping it, yeah. I'll film, and it's going to the body shop to have all the rust sorted out. Spanner.
The claustrophobia is starting to set in.
I'm wondering how you're going to get out.
Should we have a go? Head first or ass first? That's the question. Say no to cages.
So the Rocket Bunny kit has come off.
Yeah, because I did it all myself.
Well, someone's got to hold the camera.
Again, yeah, but you do a great job of holding the camera, mate, thanks.
That has actually taken about 2 hours to get that off, because the little rivet things.
What are they called? The rivet bolts
yeah.
or something. The other side, they were just spinning, so it was just hard work getting them out.
You can't even get a bolt out of the back of a car.
You've never been shoulder deep in a car?
I think he's saving that for Ron. What are you saying?
Well, look at the lines up, man.
What are you saying there?
Look at that.
Right, so we'll have to pay you extra for that, won't we?
Yeah.
Actually, hold on a minute.
Wear and tear on my body, that.
Pay you extra. We don't pay you for this anyway, do we? Say yes. Say yes.
Yeah.
Tom's having a break now. He's eating Subway.
Which
we don't, because we're athletes. So thank you to iFood for once again sponsoring this video. They're like single-handedly keeping us afloat, aren't they? Unbelievable.
They are. So we've got some new stuff this week. We've got some powders, which are the same flavours, I think. What have we got here?
All kinds of different ones in here. Coconut.
Berry.
Fresh berry.
We're going to have the vanillas.
There's definitely vanilla, banana, coffee. There's loads of different ones, but these are really good. Like post-gym stuff. You just mix it with a little bit of water in the shaker that they give you in this pack. It's got like one of them gauze things, whatever they are. And that's it, shake it up, away you go. Really, really good.
So we've done these integrations a few times now. So as you know, they're full of vitamins, 26 to be exact. High in protein, fibre, low in sugars, low in all kinds of stuff that's bad for you.
Really good.
So don't forget, they do the bars as well.
All the bars, they're good for when you're on the go.
Go and check out the link below. You get 10% off Evil GT10. It's good stuff. Then the subframe.
That's coming off now.
Yeah. Are we going to think that's worth changing that?
I mean, that's seen better days, hasn't it? So is that part of the car? That shouldn't be attached to that. That should be attached to your car, I'm guessing.
And there's the hole.
That's quite cool, that. Yes, I do, mate.
So somebody's plugged that gap from the inside?
Oh, I wouldn't say plugged.
Well, yeah, obviously not very well.
What's your trainers, mate? There's fuel coming out there. They're brand new, is that?
These are my sneaks, these 30 notes, these were, mate.
What do you want me to do with it?
See you later.
Do you know what? That's much better, that. That is a much better view of you. Much better. Oh, you're right, mate. Hurts when you get little metal splinters.
You got an accident book.
Oh, it must be a hard life for that.
It's a superficial wound.
Put your real name, Ben the Grafter.
Yeah.
So put your real name.
At 1, 2, 3.
So we got here at 11 o'clock, it's now 2:30, 3.5 hours. Front end's off, engine's out, back end's off, something's off the back of it as well. Other bits are off, all the sides are off. Just some wires, stuff's off it, right? So there's just some wires underneath and brake lines and shit like that. Then we're gonna take the doors off, take the seats out, and then we might take the dash off as well. Hey, what are you doing with the camera?
What are you doing with them spanners?
Hold on a minute, when you invoice us, that means you're supposed to be doing the work, aren't you? Not me. But easy that.
Smashed it, 30 seconds, in and out.
Are these expensive seats, these?
Yeah, they are expensive seats.
This is something, it's worth something. Are you asking for my assistance?
I am actually, just getting this on record.
Right, I'll show you how to get the seat out, here you go.
Alright, only a bit of manual labour he ever does. Well played, mate. They're like them seats, aren't they? The posh ones, when you can tell.
That's how you get it out.
Hold on.
Easy that.
Nice one, mate. You used to get it out, aren't you?
That's a gauge, we need that.
Does this work, this one?
Well, not at the moment, it's unplugged. That's so childish, isn't it?
Yeah, but I must say, that's shocking welding, that. Smash that.
Easy. So it's took, what time is it? 5 o'clock. So it's took 6 hours to do all that,
yeah,
which is pretty good. The only problem we've had was they tried to get the dash bar out, the bar that goes behind the dashboard, which was really bad because the roll cage
was in the way.
They fitted the roll cage and obviously didn't think that bar was going to be coming out.
No.
So
it's sorted now though, it's out. The majority of it's stripped. There's still a few bits of electrics behind the dash to come out, all the heating bit behind the dash. The carpet's still got to come out. It's on its dolly now though, so it's ready to be moved around when it needs to be.
We just got to find an acid dipper.
Yeah, we
have. So the shell's just going to get dipped. It's going to get rid of all the rust, expose any like issues. Basically, the acid's going to get rid of all the rust. So where the rust was, it's going to make a massive hole.
I mean, are you worried that you're not going to have much of a car left once it's gone through the bath?
I don't think there'll be much left. The back end, believe it or not, once you get past the doors, it's fine. It's in good nick, isn't it?
Apart from the rear pockets, right at the very back.
Basically, the boot is in a good condition. Apart from that, the rest of it's absolutely rusty. So we're going to do the wheels because we might as well take them to get refurbished.
Yeah.
So I'll probably take them to Manchester, Manchester Powder Coating. They did all the wheels up to now, so we'll get them done. Find some tyres for them, and that's it. The next video is going to be when we take this to the dipper.
Right, okay.
So
you're going to go and get dipped?
Yeah, we're going to get dipped.
Not double dip though, just once.
Right, you always have to lower the tone, don't you? So if you want to see the progress on the car, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Beer o'clock now?
Yeah.
Come on then.